Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is another day to proceed to our next topic, our second episode for Chit Chat with Chichai. This topic is going to be, guess what? My tattoos and their meaning. Honestly, I was never the type to think of getting a tattoo. You know, I feel like I'm so macho. Well, that's the fact. Then why did I want to get it? So here's the reason why I got inks on my body. So crazy over you. For me, they're just a daily reminders of my life in the past, in the present, and in the future. It's like I want to remember it for every single day. Now, when I look into the mirror, I'm gonna see myself, oh, this is my tattoo, and it reminds me of something. And I just want to learn from it and continue learn from it. Because that's how life is. In my everyday lives, I get so many questions about the meaning of my tattoos. I have a lot of tattoos right now. In total, I have 7 tattoos. But compared to my sister or to other people who has a lot of tattoos, disclaimer, I'm not against them. Hey sis, please, if you're watching this video, I'm not against you. Just do you, you know, I'm so proud of you. Yes, I have 7 tattoos right now. I am so rebel. Just kidding. Having a tattoo is not about being a rebel person, you know what I mean? Having a tattoo, that doesn't define you, man. Honestly, I admit that I don't think that much of getting my tattoo. I didn't plan any of it. There's just time na, or there's just day na I feel like, oh, I wanna get this tattoo. Every time I search for tattoo ideas, sometimes pag nakakita ko ng sobrang ganda sa paningin ko, right away, I'm gonna decide that time. There's just days na wala lang, trip ko lang na magpa-tattoo, knowing that I'm not making any good plans for myself. Trip ko lang talaga silang ilagay sa katawan ko, yung gusto ko talagang magpa-tattoo, without knowing its consequences. Huwag niyo na lang po ako gayahin sa mga ganong bagay. And I admit na hindi talaga maganda yung mga ganon. Making such permanent decision is the hardest thing you'll ever make in your life. So before you decide on getting a tattoo, make sure you ask permission to your parents. If you know that they won't allow you, then it sucks, man. No, I'm just kidding. Just respect their decision. And if you really want to get a tattoo, it's up to you. It's your body. It's your own decision at the end of the day. Whatever reason for your tattoo, it's always great to learn more about the meaning behind those symbols on your body. So here are mine, my tattoos and their meaning. The first tattoo that I got are the first tattoos on my wrist and the one in the back. I'm just gonna pop a picture right here so that you can see it clearly. I don't want to show it in person right now because there's some censored parts of my body that has tattoo on it. So you know what I mean? I don't want to be so revealing in front of the camera. This one on my wrist means God is greater than the highs and the lows. And the one in the back on my spinal cord, it's a Bible verse. Psalms 46 verse 5. God is within her, she will not fall. I have heard so many stories about other people of questioning themselves about their life, na saan ba ako pupulitin ito in the future. For me, this Bible verse really captured my heart. It's just, I want to be steady and faithful to God. God is within her It means that if we allow ourselves to be guided by God, then your whole life will be perfect. By saying perfect, it's not just about having material things that you want. It's about being faithful to God at all times. And that is simply what means for me. God is within her. She will not fall. God will not let us down. Yeah, this is my third tattoo. And why half moon? The whole story for this is the best part of me is well hidden. I think I got that from a movie. I am not sure what's the title of that movie, but it's really empowering, you know. The word itself, the best of me is well hidden. And it also means that even if my life is not perfect as full moon, it is colorful. I have people around me who love me the way I am, and I have the people around me who make it colorful. And those people are you guys who are watching. Wow. Moving on, my fourth tattoo, the kiss me tattoo with a kiss mark. I don't know why I get that. I wasn't really sure that I want it. It's just me, my sister, like, we're just boring that time and we lose our mind. I don't know where I get it. Why did I get a kiss mark tattoo on my butt? Why? I don't regret it at all. It's just, it's cute. Not all people can get a tattoo behind them. Some of you may think that, oh, what the hell is wrong with her? Why is she getting a tattoo on her butt? Well, it's none of your business, girl. But let me tell you, girl, it's none of your business. Joke lang. I just wanna remind myself of how painful it is to get a tattoo on the butt. Yes, it hurts a little bit, but you'll get through it once you get it. And the fifth tattoo that I have is the angel tattoo on my right ribcage. I just want to remind myself that I am angel at heart. Even if I'm not, well, I am, because I have a tattoo named Angel. No, I'm just kidding. So, ayun nga, siguro dahil trip ko lang din. Lahat ata ng tattoo ko, trip ko lang. No, it's just, I so love it. I love the font. Na-search ko lang rin to. This is not my original, this is not my original, how do you call that? This is not my original, and this is not my original artwork. Ano ba talaga? And this is not my original design. Design lang pala. So, why get this angel tattoo on my ribcage? It's just, you know, when I look into the mirror naked, medyo censored to. Hindi, joke lang. Yun, I just wanna remind myself na you still be angel, but not all angels have wings. Angels can be in human form like us. We can be angels to other people. By saying angel, it means being able to protect someone, or to make it simple, I just want to remind myself that I want to be good at all times. That's it. I think that's the main purpose of that angel tattoo. I want to be an angel. I sure want to be a victorious angel, but I couldn't because of my height, first of all. And the second of all, I'm not as fit as victorious angels. And out of my tattoo, this one is the most painful one. You can try it. No, I meant it. This is the most painful part of getting a tattoo. So please, if you are planning to get a tattoo on your ribcage, please don't. Or please eat a lot. Have some numbing cream or something. Because ako, pinagsisihan ko na hindi ako nag-numbing cream. Sobrang sakit. Isang letter pa lang, ouch na ouch na. And my 6th tattoo is the butterfly tattoo on the back of my neck. You know what? Before I decided to tattoo myself a butterfly, I told myself that this is gonna be my last tattoo ever, but it didn't happen. Getting a tattoo is addicting. So why butterfly tattoo? The reason why I get butterfly is that it symbolizes beauty of a woman. Every woman or every woman deserves to be loved. Every woman deserves to have her own wings to fly, to aim for her goals, to reach her dreams. And that what makes our life worth it. I know na lahat na lang ng tattoo ko, nire-remind ko yung sarili ko na ganito, ganyan. Pero that's the truth. I wanna remind myself. And I think that's it. That's enough explanation for that butterfly thing. And last but definitely not the least, my 7th and I guess my last tattoo is a couple tattoo. Me and LJ, nagpatattoo kami when I was in the Philippines. So yun nga, if you haven't watched my video vlog about that, I will surely link it down below. So bakit nga ba Queen of Hearts yung napili naming tattoo? Very common na siya sa mga couple, King and Queen, #Jeje. And for now, I don't have any deep meaning about it. I just wanted to have that tattoo on my left neck side. I definitely don't have any plan right now on getting more tattoo in the future. But if it's still gonna happen, then I don't have any idea what will it be. Well, let's see if I'm not gonna claim or I'm not gonna admit that this is gonna be the last one because, you know, getting a tattoo is addicting. #getting a tattoo is addicting. So, I think that is enough explanation for my tattoos and their meaning. I just want to ask you one thing. Do you guys have any tattoos right now? If so, what do you think is the meaning of each of them? Feel free to write down your opinions, your comments, and thoughts down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next episode of Chit Chat with Chichai. Bye! Thanks for watching.